Hey, what's going on, y'all? I'm back with another video. I'm gonna be doing a quick review on the Wizard of Oz Nike SB Dunk that just released. So I just got the package in today, so I'm gonna just do, like I said, a quick unboxing and a review for you guys. So just starting off, here's the, like I said, the box itself. Different than the usual box that I get my SB Dunks in. So yeah. Then here's the packaging when you open it up. Alright, so let's open this thing up. So the shoes come in this like extra packaging and stuff like that. We'll check that out in a second. So obviously it comes with the little SB sticker, and then you get some more insoles. You get the some of the characters. You got the witch, and you got this guy. We have some nice insoles. So yeah, I got that. All right, and then if you guys care, here's the rest of the wrapping. I guess it's supposed to be the witch and then Dorothy's shoes and stuff. Alright, so here they are. Definitely look nice. I got my size 11, and I'll do a quick unboxing. On foot for you guys. But yeah, this looks crazy in person. I didn't think the material was gonna be like this. Dang, I ain't gonna lie, low-key mine is a little bit creasing. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has like a nice like a mesh film to it almost. Like, I don't know, it just looked nice. So yeah, I'm not gonna act like I know all there is about the, I've seen the movie obviously, but I guess the colorway is, I guess, supposed to be supposed to resemble like the poppy fields in the film, I guess. But yeah, it's a nice like mesh material. And then here's the, on the back of it, no place like home, I think that's what it says. Yep, no place like home. And then yep, and then here's the tongue. Alright, and then I didn't see any additional laces. I don't know if I'm tripping or not, but I didn't get like an extra lace in my package of it or not. And then as you can see, it's a different insole from the ones the extra ones that we have. So it looks like it's just some more of the characters. I don't feel like pulling out the whole insole. And then here's the left shoe. Like I said, it's got that lot of that mesh. So yeah, it feels like it's like, you know, I'm talking about that mesh material that it feels like it's almost like it's waterproof almost. Then you got this tongue, same deal. But yeah, these things look crazy in person. So I got this off the Sneakerhead. So now I'm gonna do a quick, like I said, on foot real quick, just to show you guys what it looks like, and then just, you know, see if you guys should go true to size or not, and things like that. So see you in the next clip. Alright guys, so as you can see, here's the on foot. So I didn't really do too much with the laces, so kind of kept them, I kind of loosened them a little bit, but besides that, they kind of were similar to how they were outside the box. But I recommend going true to size. They felt more snug than the normal SB Dunks that I normally would get, but that's all I had.